Alright, so if your videos aren't getting clicks, chances are it's not your content, it's your thumbnail. Yeah, seriously. In 2026, thumbnails are basically your first impression, and you've got like 1 second to win someone over. So in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to design viral thumbnails in Canva, step by step. First things first, open Canva and create a custom design. Set your size to 1280 by 720 pixels. That's the standard YouTube thumbnail size, and yeah, you don't want to mess this up. Now, background matters more than people think. You want something that pops instantly. Bright colors, gradients, or even blurred images work great. Just avoid anything too messy, because clarity beats complexity every time. Every viral thumbnail has one clear subject, not 5, not 3, just one. It could be a face, an object, or even bold text. But the viewer should understand the idea instantly. Text is powerful, but only if you keep it short. Think 2 to 4 words max. Use bold fonts, high contrast colors, and make sure it's readable even on a tiny phone screen. This is where things get interesting. Viral thumbnails trigger emotion, shock, curiosity, excitement, something that makes people go, wait, what? Faces with strong expressions work insanely well, like surprised, confused, or even exaggerated reactions. Here's a pro tip: add outlines or shadows to your subject. It separates your main element from the background and makes everything pop more. Canva has this built in, so super easy. Most beginners overcrowd their thumbnails. Too much text, too many elements, it just kills the click. So yeah, keep it simple. One idea, one message, one focus. Before you export, zoom out, like really small. If you can still understand your thumbnail instantly, you're good. If not, simplify it. Finally, download your thumbnail as a PNG file. Keep the quality high and avoid compression. Crisp visuals always perform better. So yeah, that's the full system. If your thumbnail grabs attention, creates curiosity, and stays clean, you're already ahead of most creators. Now go design a few and test what works. Because honestly, the best thumbnails aren't guessed, they're optimized.